So hello guys, and welcome back to our channel with another video. And in this video we're going to be talking about Ethereum. So we'll be talking about what pattern Ethereum is currently seeing, what we can expect from the upcoming times from Ethereum, and what possible breakout we could see in the upcoming times. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are currently over at our screen and we are on the Ethereum USD chart on tradingview.com, and we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. So if we just take a brief overview at this, we can already see that we are seeing a descending triangle pattern right here. We don't even have to do any more analyzation to tell that we are seeing a descending triangle pattern right there, and we are getting close to the breakout. We could possibly see a breakout right here. If we look at a longer time frame, we could possibly see that this is one opportunity for a breakout, but that is not confirmed. So let's just take a look at what we know for sure right here. So as we talked about in one of the previous videos, that Ethereum might be repeating something like this that has happened before. So we can see this part of support that has been hit multiple times before, and we have seen this support been hit twice, and then we have seen a bull run, and now we have also seen it hit twice, and we have seen somewhat of a bull trend. We haven't seen huge numbers like we did in the past time. So last time we saw a huge 24% bull rally, but we only have seen something around 8 to 9% right here. So we have yet to see more numbers on that, but we might be seeing a different pattern from now, and we might be seeing Ethereum breaking out from this descending triangle, or we could possibly see some more consolidation and just a little bit of a pullback before we initially break out to the uptrend and before we break out to the positive side. So what we are seeing right now is that this part of resistance is very crucial. It's been hit multiple times, but right here we went just above this line, but we are back to our retesting. So this is basically the deciding factor if we see a breakout right now or no. So we have to wait for the confirmation of this breakout to make sure that we are seeing a bull rally from here. But if not, and if we see a pullback from this price, so from this price we could possibly see the price hit 2190 range again, and then we could possibly see the bull trend starting from there. So this is basically the deciding factor. We can't possibly predict something right now. We have to wait for a certain confirmation before this is a confirmed breakout, but that has just not happened yet. We did see just a breakout, a tiny breakout from this line, but we have come back inside the line to just retest that price range. So if we retest this price range and we get rejected from it, that means that our breakout is going to be delayed just a couple of days, and we are going to see the breakout, but just a little after we see this just a quick pullback to the 2100 range, the high 2100 range. So we could possibly see another retracement before we see the actual breakout from this descending triangle, and before we start to see some big numbers like we usually do from a descending triangle. So we could possibly be expecting some high numbers. So let's just take a quick estimate. If we look at the starting of this descending triangle, we have seen this price range. So say for example, if we see a breakout here, we could possibly hit prices of around 2700, the high 2700 range. So we could possibly hit that range in Ethereum if we are to see a breakout right now. Now this, we aren't gonna hit this price immediately. We are gonna climb up slowly to reach this price target. And if we happen to get a rejection, and let's say we break out from about here, we could see see prices of around the low 2700. So the 2720 range is what we could possibly see in Ethereum if we are to have a late breakout, and if we see a rejection from the current price retest. So that was pretty much it talking about Ethereum. So let me just change the scene back real quick. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about Ethereum about to have a breakout very soon from a descending triangle that it's forming. So we are just at that line, just doing a little bit of a retest. We may get rejected from that range, and we may just see one more pullback before we finally break out to the upward side. But we have to wait for the confirmation of this breakout. So that breakout is not yet confirmed, and we have to wait for a confirmation because before we can say anything for sure. So we are just waiting for a confirmation. Either we see a confirmation right now, a breakout confirmation, so we know that it's going to go to the upside. But if we see just another rejection, if we see some red candles, we are going to see a little bit more of a pullback in the high 2100 range before we see another breakout, just being delayed a little bit. But we are going to see some price ranges up to the 2700 range, 2800 range, and that's what coming up in next in Ethereum. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about Ethereum about to have a breakout in the near future. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also drop a comment down below. And also, I do daily live streams on this crypto channel, and I talk about any recent price changes, any recent graphs, or any major news that has happened in the crypto community recently. So do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. And I also do daily crypto videos on this channel, like this one, talking about any recent patterns, any recent signals happening in the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in for those also. So that was about it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.